In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a meeting, begin recording, pause or stop when you need to, and properly end the session so your recording saves. Before we begin, a quick reminder, always make sure you have permission to record and let everyone know. Zoom will display a notification to all participants when recording starts. First, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you're on the Home tab. To start a meeting, click the large orange New Meeting button. It looks like a little video camera. A new meeting window will open. If you're prompted, click Start to confirm and activate your audio and video so the meeting is live. Once your meeting is up, look to the bottom right corner of the meeting window and click More. A small menu will pop up with additional options. From that menu, click Record. If you're using a free account, the recording begins right away and will be saved to your computer automatically after the meeting ends. You'll know it's working because a small recording indicator appears in the top right corner of the Zoom window. Everyone in the meeting will also see a notification that recording is in progress, which helps keep things transparent. While you're recording, you're in control. If you need a quick break, maybe to adjust your notes or wait for someone to rejoin, click the pause icon. This temporarily halts the recording without ending it. When you're ready to continue, click the same icon to resume. If you're finished capturing the session, click the stop icon. It looks like a red square. Stopping ends the recording for good. So use pause if you think you'll pick up again soon. Here's an important detail. The recording doesn't convert and save right away. It only processes after the meeting has ended. When you're done with your session, go to the bottom right and click End. Then choose End Meeting for all to close the meeting. Zoom will then begin converting the recording. Let that process finish. Avoid shutting down your computer or closing Zoom until the conversion completes. Once it's done, the file will be saved to your computer, ready for you to review, share, or edit. That's it. Start your meeting, click More, hit Record, use pause or stop as needed, and end the meeting to let Zoom save your file. Follow these steps and you'll capture clean, organized recordings every time.